Adding a document to a patient profile on Cellmaflex. Visit user.cellmaflex.com to view your appointments. Log in using the same credentials as your Cellmaflex Premium account. On the homepage, the blue band indicates your user role and who you are logged in as. The clinic name will be visible below. To view appointments, click on the fourth button in the left banner on the screen. To open the patient summary, you must first select a patient. This can be done by clicking their name on the service appointment page or searching for them. You will see the patient details in the blue banner at the top of the screen. Hover over the menu and open Patient Summary. This page reflects all information uploaded, added, and edited by you, the doctor. Click on the Document tab in the left-hand side column. Here you can view all documents that have been added to the patient. Click the Document Plus icon and fill out the specific information for the document upload. You can include notes in the description field box. By clicking Share on Patient Portal, you will give the patient access to view this file. Upload any documents by selecting the PDF from your computer files. All documents uploaded to this patient can be viewed by all doctors within your establishment. By clicking View, you can see the document that has been uploaded. We hope this information has been helpful. Thank you for watching.